Being in the market, especially if you're a trader, is a very, very demanding profession. And if you're a new trader and seeking constant profit, you have your work cut out. What are your chances? What can you do that will take you to the top 1%?
और 4 जून जैसा आपने कहा, जिस दिन चुनाव का नतीजा आएगा, आप उस हफ्ते भर में देखना कि यानी भारत का स्टॉक मार्केट के लिए उसके सारे जो उनके प्रोग्रामिंग के जो प्रोग्रामिंग वाले सारे उनके थक जाएंगे.
You've probably got yourself attracted into the market, seeing the vast opportunity that is coming ahead of us. Many have already taken the plunge, but very few have actually made it successful in trading. As a proof of this, we have an article in ET Prime. It's from Nitin Kamath, the founder of Zerodha. He says, thanks to social media, countless people are lured into the market and have a rosy view of trading. But the reality is less than 1% of active traders earn more money than a fixed deposit over a 3-year period. So in an arena where the chances of winning is less than 1%, you're still seeking for constant profits. What can you do that will take you to the top 1%? What can you do that you can remain there for a very long period of time? There are 3 key strategies which will help you survive this holocaust. And the third one is perhaps the most important one even before you enter the stock market. But before I go deep into them, I request you to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button so this video reaches a lot of people and you help a lot of them to fulfill their dreams. It takes a special type of a person to be in the market and pursue trading it. Someone who can take setbacks very easily and can still persist even when everything seems to become hopeless. See, when you're in the market, you sometimes become arrogant. You feel unrealistically confident and you feel a lack of proficiency and inefficiency. Going by the statement of Nitin Kamath that 1% makes about FD returns, it tells us that 99% of the traders, they lose in the stock market. And the remaining 1% who win, actually, they too suffer heavy losses on many of their trades. See, I'm not discouraging you, but from the upfront statement, it really looks very, very difficult. And when you're actually on it, when you're actually on the market, it really becomes very difficult to work on it and to control that situation and the mindset. We all are getting used to getting paid when we do our job well. But for novice traders, all that they get in hand is loss. A loss as their reward. When you meet such circumstances, for most of the people, the confidence is largely shaken, to which they often react with arrogant overconfidence. They build themselves up to a point where they are unrealistically over-optimistic. But that's not a trait that will help you in the market. I have a dedicated video on this which says, they who survives the market have this quality. You can go ahead and have a look at it in this I button. This gives us the first key to sustain in the market: to be realistically optimistic and have a fighting spirit. Number 2, the rewarding system. When we do our job, in a job we work for a month, and at the end of the month we get paid for the month's work that we have done. In the market, the earnings are not proportionate. They are not proportionate to the amount of work that we do. In a job, you are never overexcited, neither are you broken down to the brink. Why? Because the motivator that lets you live and pay your bills is just another 30 days away. Fortunately or unfortunately, for most jobs, it remains constant for the next 1 year. But not so in the market. In the market, the motivator is on a daily basis. Big profits makes us excited. losses breaks our morale down. So if you focus on your profits, so if you focus on appreciating the capital that you have put in the market, you would probably you would find your mood falling or rising with the capital that you have put in the market. So instead of creeping over or enjoying on the profits or the losses that you have encountered throughout the day in the market, it's better to throw the rewarding system out of money completely. Take the rewarding system out of profits. Take it out of profit into something which is not money based. Maybe reward yourself on the amount of study or the analysis that you have done for today, or the effort that you have put into building the strategy, because this might build in or bring in the way you think and act. And that takes us to the third and the most important point, is to focus on the process. So finally, it's essential for us to focus on the process and not the price. I understand trading is about making money, but it's also irony that if you focus on the outcome of the trades, you would put yourself under excessive pressure and you would choke. By focusing on the intrinsic rewards, you would be more comfortable. You'll be more comfortable and you'll be more creative. And we all know when that happens, you can then trade more profitably over a very long period of time. Well, this is all contradictory to our beliefs, our common sense, and our day-to-day experiences. It is contradictory, but it is true. Focusing on the process of trading, rewarding yourself for the efforts, and cultivating a fighting spirit will take you a long way in this market. Well, that's not it. This video and these videos listed here in this playlist will take you to a new high while you trade the market. Go ahead and have a look at it right now if you want to make it big in trading. As of this video, adios.